Welcome back to Autopole Studio. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the MG P9 2026, a powerful and modern pickup that combines rugged capability with premium styling, advanced technology, everyday practicality, and an impressive road presence. MG has been expanding its pickup lineup with vehicles designed to appeal not only to commercial users, but also to families, adventure enthusiasts, and drivers who want a capable truck for both city and off-road driving. The MG P9 2026 brings together a bold exterior, a comfortable interior, modern technology, strong performance, and useful cargo capacity, making it one of the pickups worth watching in the new generation. Starting with the exterior, the MG P9 immediately creates a strong impression with its wide stance, elevated body, muscular proportions, and aggressive front-end design. The front fascia features a large grille that gives the truck a commanding appearance, while sharp LED lighting adds a modern and sophisticated touch. The high bonnet gives the driver a confident view of the road ahead, while the sculpted bumper and protective lower section emphasize the vehicle's rugged character. From the side, the P9 looks substantial and athletic, with large wheels, strong wheel arches, high ground clearance, and carefully shaped body lines that make the pickup appear both powerful and premium. The extended cabin provides useful passenger space, while the rear cargo bed gives owners the flexibility to carry equipment, luggage, tools, outdoor gear, and other items that would be difficult to transport in a conventional SUV. At the rear, the MG P9 continues its tough design theme with modern lighting, a practical tailgate, a strong bumper, and a wide cargo area. The rear design is clean but muscular, giving the truck a distinctive identity from every angle. One of the biggest advantages of the P9 is that it does not look like a vehicle designed only for heavy work. Its modern styling makes it suitable for daily driving, family use, weekend adventures, and professional applications. This combination of work capability and lifestyle appeal is becoming increasingly important in the modern pickup market. Step inside the MG P9 2026 and the character changes from rugged to refined. The cabin is expected to feature a modern dashboard with digital displays, a large central infotainment screen, comfortable seats, practical storage compartments, and high-quality materials depending on the selected trim. The layout is designed to keep important controls within easy reach of the driver while maintaining a clean and contemporary appearance. The digital instrument display can provide essential information such as speed, driving data, vehicle status, and safety alerts, while the central screen can provide navigation, entertainment, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings. The front seats are designed to provide support during long journeys, while the rear seating area offers useful space for passengers. This makes the MG P9 more than just a work truck because it can also function as a family vehicle for everyday transportation. Comfort features are expected to include automatic climate control, multiple USB charging ports, keyless entry, push-button start, wireless smartphone connectivity, and a premium audio system on higher versions. The cabin can also provide useful storage areas for personal belongings, making it easier to organize the interior during long trips. Technology is one of the areas where the MG P9 2026 can compete strongly with newer pickups. Modern drivers expect their vehicles to provide more than basic transportation, and the P9 is designed around this idea. The infotainment system can act as the center of the vehicle's entertainment and connectivity features, while available cameras and parking sensors can make maneuvering a large pickup much easier. A 360-degree camera system, where available, can provide a detailed view around the vehicle, which is particularly useful in crowded parking areas and difficult off-road situations. The technology package may also include advanced driver assistance features designed to improve safety and reduce driver workload. Performance is another major part of the MG P9 experience. A pickup needs to provide strong torque, dependable traction, and enough power for both daily driving and heavier tasks. Depending on the market and configuration, the MG P9 can be expected to focus on a strong powertrain designed for versatility. Four-wheel drive capability, where available, can provide additional confidence when driving over gravel, mud, sand, steep surfaces, and other challenging terrain. The suspension system also plays a critical role because pickup trucks need to handle uneven roads while maintaining acceptable comfort for passengers. The P9's elevated stance and ground clearance give it an advantage when dealing with rough surfaces, while modern suspension tuning can help make everyday city driving smoother and more comfortable. Drivers who spend a lot of time on highways will also appreciate a stable driving position and a cabin designed to reduce fatigue during longer journeys. Fuel economy will naturally depend on the final powertrain, driving conditions, vehicle load, and drivetrain configuration. Like most midsize or large pickups, the P9 is expected to prioritize capability, meaning buyers will need to balance performance with running costs. However, modern engine technology and improved vehicle efficiency can help make the truck more practical for everyday use, compared with older generation pickups. One of the strongest arguments for choosing the MG P9 is its versatility. The pickup bed provides space for equipment, camping supplies, sports gear, construction materials, luggage, and other large items. For owners who regularly carry things that cannot fit inside an SUV, this can be a major advantage.
The cargo bed also makes the P9 suitable for outdoor activities, road trips, business use, and recreational adventures. Safety is another important area for the 2026 model. Modern pickup buyers expect a comprehensive selection of safety systems, and the MG P9 is designed to provide advanced protection depending on specification and market. Expected features can include multiple airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking, hill start assistance, parking sensors, and a reversing camera. Higher trims may also offer technology such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems can provide additional assistance during highway driving and busy urban conditions, although the driver remains responsible for controlling the vehicle safely. Another important feature is the overall driving position. Sitting higher than a normal sedan gives the driver a better view of surrounding traffic, while the large body and strong exterior design create a sense of confidence. At the same time, the P9 needs to remain easy enough to maneuver in cities, where parking spaces and narrow streets can be challenging for a large pickup. Available cameras and sensors can make this much easier. The MG P9 also has the potential to attract buyers through its design. Modern pickup customers increasingly want their vehicles to look premium rather than purely utilitarian. The P9's combination of aggressive lighting, a large front grille, muscular bodywork, large wheels, and modern interior technology gives it a more sophisticated identity. It can look at home in an urban environment while still maintaining the rugged appearance expected from a pickup. Pricing will be one of the most important factors in the success of the MG P9 2026. Exact pricing will depend on the country, trim level, engine, drivetrain, taxes, and available equipment, so buyers should check their local market for confirmed figures. However, MG has built its reputation around offering competitive equipment and attractive styling, and the P9 could follow the same strategy. If the final vehicle delivers strong performance, modern technology, comfortable seating, useful cargo capacity, and competitive pricing, it could become an attractive alternative to more established pickup brands. The MG P9 2026 is especially interesting for drivers who want one vehicle that can perform several different roles. During the week, it can serve as a practical commuter and work vehicle, while on weekends it can become an adventure enthusiast capable of carrying camping equipment, bicycles, luggage, or outdoor gear. For families, the spacious cabin and useful cargo bed provide additional flexibility, while business users can take advantage of the truck's practical loading capacity. The combination of capability and comfort is what makes modern pickups so appealing, and the MG P9 is clearly designed around this philosophy. Overall, the MG P9 2026 represents an exciting development in the modern pickup segment. It combines a bold and muscular exterior with a more refined cabin, modern digital technology, useful cargo capacity, capable performance, and a wide range of expected safety features. Its biggest strengths could be its versatility, design, technology, and value proposition, while the final engine specifications, fuel economy, towing capability, off-road performance, and market pricing will determine just how competitive it becomes. MG is entering a segment filled with strong competitors, but the P9 has the ingredients needed to attract attention. It is designed for people who want more than a basic work truck and more capability than a typical family SUV can provide. With its strong road presence, practical cargo bed, modern cabin, and expected advanced technology, the MG P9 2026 could be an interesting choice for buyers looking for something different. So, if you are searching for a pickup that combines rugged capability with modern comfort and technology, the MG P9 2026 is certainly a vehicle worth keeping on your radar. What do you think about the new MG P9? Would you choose it for daily driving, family use, business, or off-road adventures? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Autopool Studio, and turn on notifications for more reviews covering the latest cars, SUVs, pickups, electric vehicles, and luxury automobiles from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.